Hi, I'm Chuck Ewing, owner, founder of the Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. I've been doing this for over 40 years. And everybody asks me, Chuck, what appliance should I get? What's the best refrigerator? What's the best washer? What's the best range? And the answers are like very hard to give to people. And so here's what I tell everybody. And I like to be honest and accurate. So what happens is some manufacturers are good at making certain things. A lot of manufacturers have had problems with their refrigerators. GE's done as good as anybody on refrigerators recently. When it comes to refrigeration, I would not say that any one brand stands out and has had a long historical track record. LG's had problems, Whirlpool's had problems, Frigidaire's had their issues. So if you're looking for cooking products, GE is the best cooking manufacturer out there. Overall, GE's gonna make a good cooking product, and probably it's gonna be as good as anybody on the market and reliable. Next, there's front load laundry. It's Electrolux. Electrolux has been making front load laundry forever. They by far are the most knowledgeable and have the best front load laundry. So when you get into top load washers, Whirlpool, Maytag, Amana, they're all manufactured by Whirlpool, and they historically have the best reputation for top load laundry. People also ask me about Speed Queen. Speed Queen's a very good brand. They're gonna make a good product, and it's very reliable, and it would be at the tops. However, it is much more expensive than what you're gonna pay for the standard brands of top load and front load laundry. So next, there's dryers. There's no manufacturer that's per se superior in dryers. However, Whirlpool would probably also be recognized as the leader in manufacture of dryers and probably is a little bit above the other manufacturers, but there isn't a big difference when it comes to dryers. Then you get into dishwashers. Who are the major manufacturers that have done a great job historically on dishwashers? You buy a KitchenAid or a Bosch. Microwaves. It's really gonna be personal preference, but I would say there's no one microwave that's gonna be more reliable than the other microwave. So last, there's all the new brands. You're gonna find brands from Home Depot and Lowe's and Best Buy. We don't really know who's making these appliances. They're made for these companies to put their name brand on it. If you really wanna know who the manufacturers, you have to research it and figure it out. And some of these manufacturers are doing good, some of them aren't. So good luck with your appliance purchase. The reality of it is appliances are well made, and if you go with these major brands that have a historical reputation for being good, that would be your best bet on getting a good appliance.